Hi everyone, continuing functioning of secondary market. On this slide, we are going to see about three items: screen-based trading, trading cycle, derivatives trading. What is maybe trade screen-based trading? Across, I think I have given the info in first slide. What is mean by electronic system? And the electronic system, it will be replacing the old system, outcry system simultaneously, multiple number in multiple nature. I think across the India anyone can enter in there the terminal of SEBI or NSE or BSE and trade according to them. This is what is called the screen based trading. Screen here means a terminal. Terminal means nothing but the a desktop or a laptop that will be connected in the terminal of BSE or NSE or OTCI. This system, which was introduced in 1992, but it is effectively come into India, it's only 1994. This make the market is more viable. This market is make there the things is very important and provide there the lot of input to there the public, which mean to be nature investors are getting there the lot benefit by means of getting more liquidity, which mean to be nature immediately across the day and a day in a moment in a year will be possible of having there that interaction with the selling of securities. That is called screen based trading. And we'll move on to the next one is there the trading cycle. What is mean by trading cycle? It is predominantly it is saying about nothing one how many days it is taken a closing of a deal. It is normally it is called a order is placed by investor with the broker, and then broker is sending the note to the securities exchange or stock exchange. There they have to wait and receiving their same order from some broker who is interested to sell or buy whatever it is. It was all happening in there that older system minimum 30 to 40 days. Naturally what will happen means the investor has to wait over the month to execute his own order. Definitely it will be the greatest problem in mind of the investor. That means monotonous in time of decision making. Whenever somebody is coming and somebody is asking, you have to wait for 30 days to receive something, naturally what will happen, two option: either I have to wait or else another one, I have to quit the market. So because of this reason is also most of the investors are not much interested to come up with the stock market and to make the trading of an activity. Whereas 2002 trading and 2001 regulations are all bringing their the days coming down, which mean to be nature instead of 14 to 30 days, now it is to be trading day plus 5 days, and then it is still again it is to be reduced in 2002 trading days plus 3 days, trading days plus 2 days. It is namely it is called as the T plus 5, T plus 1 and so on. So it is called the T plus 2, which is mean to be is a trading day, and the third day 2 days, which mean on third day the delivery has to be made by the particular person who is going to be performing this activity is a depository. So once the depository is available, naturally these things are happening as quick as possible. It will enlighten the investor as well as lignite the investor, which mean a sudden increase. Yeah, yes, I can to get the deal is very quick as possible. So the trading cycle when the number of days is reducing mean turnover is will be more. I hope you students are understanding. You are all the commerce student and you are studying accounting. Definitely you know what is mean by turnover. So in a business, turnover will more and more. Naturally, the profit will be more and more. Volume will be more and more. The quantity will be more and more. Naturally, my profit is going to be higher. So the trading cycle it will play there the important role. And we'll move on to the next point is the next important one is derivatives. The derivatives, the word is so catchy, and the word is bringing there that long light of there the light in mind of the investor. It is like that. I'm usually in my home I will always get either idli or dosa. Continuously, I'm taking the idli and dosa. Naturally, what will happen? I get monot. That mean I'm not get interested to go for either a breakfast or for the dinner. So I request it in the different manner, a different dishes. That's the reason why restaurants and hotels are coming up so nicely in the world. So it is very important to today. There is some type of other than the regular equity system, debt system, that mean instruments we need much more instruments. It will improvise the system. That one is called derivatives trading. What is mean by derivatives trading? Derivatives trading or derivatives are nothing but the value of some x is derived from value of some other x, not in present but in the future. எதிர்காலத்துல வரக்கூடிய ஒரு ரிசல்ட்டை நான் இன்னைக்கு இங்க உட்காந்து நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா ட்ரேட் பண்ணனா, that is called as the derivatives. So it is quite interest. It will be improvise the thinkability and decision making capacity of the investor, which was all permitted in the western countries earlier 1950s and 1960s, whereas in India it is introduced only in 1995 because of we have to change the act of SCRA, that is Securities Contract Act 1956, and that because of that particular amendment made in 1995, the SCRA considered as securities is equal to derivatives, or derivatives is considered as the securities, which mean both are same. Security and derivative ஒன்னு அப்படிங்கறத என்ன பண்றாங்க கொண்டு வர்றாங்க. Because of the reason derivatives pick up the market in activity, because of derivatives new investors are come up, pile up the investment in the particular market. So what are the type of derivatives are traded in the stock market? They are stock futures, index futures, option on index, currencies, interest rate, and individual stocks. In this slide, we are discussing about screen-based trading, trading cycle, and derivatives trading. Thank you.